So this is day 2 of the celery model, and these celery stalks have been in the red water, 100 milliliters of red water overnight, and these have been in the dark overnight. So we are going to check and see if we have any differences from the beginning of the experiment when we drew our models. So let's take a look at this one here. So this one has been in the light. So what you should notice is that a lot of that red coloring has moved up into the leaves, which is kind of weird. And then we're going to measure and see how much red water we have after 24 hours. And then we'll grab the one from the dark. I don't think I can do this with 2 hands. Okay, so here's the one from the dark, and you can see that those leaves are pretty green still. This is the one that was in the light, and this is the one that was in the dark. So we'll go ahead and measure how much water is in each. All right, so let's measure the light first. Now remember, we had 100 milliliters to start, and you can also see, I don't know if the video is going to pick it up that well, but there's a whole lot of condensation on the inside of that plastic wrap there and on the glass. Do you see that? So there's water droplets on the inside of that glass. Ooh, check out the bottom of that celery. That's interesting. So let's measure and see how many milliliters we have. And it looks like we have about 97 that are, nope, I'm sorry, about 92 milliliters that are left. So 92 milliliters. So that one lost about 8 milliliters of water overnight. And now let's check the one that was in the dark. We'll figure out how much water is in that one. And there's the bottom of that celery there. Interesting. And we have about, I would say 98 left over. So record that in your data tables. So there's your 2 models side by side. If you want to take a minute and sketch that out. And again, that goes right here.
Miss Katie.
Hi.
Are you using your science lab today?
Yes, I am.
Thank you.
Welcome to the world of teaching. You're trying to do something and 50 million things happen. All right, so here we go. You are here at Part B, Day 2, and you want to sketch out what those models look like today. And if you need to pause the video, go ahead. On the next page in your packet, you can see this is where your data table goes. And then you can answer these questions based on the information that you saw. And that is as far as we are getting today. Hope to see you tomorrow.